Hi everyone, this is the Revel De Havilland MOSQUITO Mk.IV. This is my first plastic model kit review. I bought this a couple of weeks ago from a regular model kit shop that I go to. This was about $80. Yeah, without any further, I'm going to show you all of the details and stuff. So this is the plane itself. It's quite nice. I actually I didn't copy the actual colors you're supposed to do it, because there's white and black even on the body, but I didn't do that. I just said screw it. I just wanted to make a little simple, but this is my first like big model. That's why it's not as good as I wanted it to be, but I've learnt my mistakes, and I know what to do now. Actually, a little tip for beginners or anyone: never use never use paints that are from other companies when you're making a Revel model kit, because the paint that I used is from some other company, and I don't know what happened. As you can see there, the paint just dissolved, like made the plastic mushy, and now it just looks like it's battle damaged. But it's alright. I'm not really that upset about it, but yeah, it's good. I'm impressed with how big it is. This is a huge, well, not huge, but surprisingly large model. So that's about it. It's great. It's good for decoration. So yeah. So this is the box, which is quite big. I actually keep all of the like the plastic and everything that came with it in the box, but I've taped it together, which I can't show you, but anyways, yeah, that's the box of the actual model, and so that's it. The Revel De Havilland MOSQUITO Mk.IV. It's the World War II, I think, World War II plane. Pretty cool. I would recommend this for the people that have experience in model making. If you're a beginner, don't buy this. You're gonna end up destroying it. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video, and I've planned for a lot of model kit videos to come. So see you.